Hi, if you're looking for a powerful and flexible web hosting, then you are on the right video. After testing a huge number of hosting services, I chose the best one for myself. I have been working with this for over 5 years. It offers many shared virtual private servers. In this short video, I will show you 7 features that will help you and make it the best in the best web hosting category. And now, I will show you everything in detail with an illustrative example.
Site 5 is ideal for WordPress blogs. Qualified support staff, fast service, and the ability to upgrade to cloud hosting. Site 5 is excellent for those looking for backup hosting or business class hosting. They have developed one of the best multi-site control panels for multiple WordPress blogs. Benefits of Site 5: fully redundant cloud hosting, great tech support, ideal hosting companies for businesses, servers are configured correctly for WordPress. Site 5 has support and uptime guarantees. This company is known for solid tech specs and affordable web hosting. Site 5 currently hosts over 200,000 domains and has expanded over the last few years. Site 5 is a great place to host WordPress. Their servers are set up so WP runs excellent. Site 5 gets even better if you need to host multiple sites. One of the best plans features is the toolbar option. The option allows you to give each site its cPanel control panel, so you no longer have to stack multiple locations in one public HTML directory, which is a huge security improvement. Site 5's customer service is one of the best in the industry. When you submit a request and the support team helps you, the email contains a picture of the person helping you. You can contact the support team via email, online chat, or phone. In conversation, a technician will show up in 1-2 minutes. Support is always friendly, helpful, and tries to find a solution rather than burden the user. If you have a problem with support or Site 5, the owners are always willing to help solve the problem. It's pretty good customer service. Site 5 offers a wide range of plans and prices. Plans start with shared hosting and end with dedicated servers. Site 5 does well with cloud hosting plans and multi-site hosting plans. They have one of the best setups and control panels for managing multiple sites. Site 5 offers basic plans, reseller plans, and specialized web hosting plans. General plans. Host Basic. These plans start at $4.95 per month and provides unlimited disk space, unlimited bandwidth, one website, control panel, website builder, and 24/7 support. Host. With this plan, you can get total disk space, bandwidth, websites, control panel, website builder, and 24/7 support for only $7.95 per month. Host Plus Turbo. Starting at $10.95 per month, this plan provides unlimited disk space, bandwidth, websites, control panel, website builder, 24/7 support, dedicated IP addresses, and multiple site options. Reseller Plans. Reseller Starter. For resellers, this plan includes 50 GB of disk space, 500 GB of bandwidth, 3 IP addresses, unlimited resellable accounts, and a free reseller hosting book. The price is $23.95 per month. Reseller Standard. By paying $33.95 per month, customers can get 80 GB of disk space, 700 GB of bandwidth, 3 IP addresses, unlimited reseller accounts, and a free reseller hosting book in this package. Reseller Premier. This plan costs $49.95 per month with 120 GB of disk space, 1000 GB of bandwidth, 3 IP addresses, unlimited resellable accounts, and a free reseller hosting book. Dedicated Hosting Plans. Dual Core Conroe 3040. This dedicated hosting plan includes 4096 MB of RAM, 250 GB hard drive, 2000 GB of bandwidth, 13 IP addresses, cPanel, and free instant setup. Priced at $200 per month, Quad-Core Cansfield 3210. Paying $255 per month, you get 4096 MB of RAM, 2500 GB of bandwidth, 13 IP addresses, cPanel, and free instant setup. Cansfield 3360 Quad-Core Processor. This package includes 8192 MB of RAM, 2 500 GB hard drives, 2500 GB of bandwidth, 13 IP addresses, cPanel, and free instant setup. The price is $350 per month. All hosting plans include web stats, unlimited MySQL databases, 50+ scripts, unlimited email accounts, anti-spam protection, unlimited FTP accounts. In addition to basic hosting features, Site 5 packages include 12 GB of RAM, support for Perl 5.8, Python 2.3, 2.4, 2.6, and 3.0, Ruby on Rails 1.8.7 and Rails 2.3.3, PHP 4 and 5, and CGI BIN. It comes with a 99.9% uptime guarantee, 60-day money-back guarantee, and support response time guarantee. Site 5 provides a powerful, customizable version of cPanel as a user interface. The software allows you to manage all your site files, email accounts, domains, etc. from a single location. MySQL databases can be created and controlled with a pre-installed copy of phpMyAdmin located in the site admin area. The easy-to-use cPanel includes Fantastico, web templates, themes, and a photo gallery. Site 5 provides excellent support for bloggers. Fantastico is pre-configured for each hosting account and is accessible through the site admin panel. From here, WordPress can be installed at the click of a button.